Hello children. Today we are going to discuss about fourth chapter in 10th standard quadratic equations sums. We are going to discuss, and before that we are discussing about its condition and everything. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is quadratic equation standard form or general form. A, B, C are real numbers. What is the condition for quadratic equation? Means A is not equal to 0. This is the condition. That means B or C or either one of them may be 0, but should not be 0. Here we are going to discuss what are the contents present in the chapter. First, check whether it is quadratic equations or not. That is one question in 4.1, first Roman. Second one, represent the situations in the 4.1 chapter only, represent the situations in quadratic equation. That is the second part in the 4.1 chapter. So next, solve by factorization method, that is 4.2 chapter, that is 4.2 chapter models this kind. Next, nature of the roots also present, that is 4.3 nature of the roots, 4.3 oriented sums. Okay, word problems are coming from all exercises from 4.1, 4.2 and 4.3. Previously I have prepared one introduction quadratic equation chapter, but in that sums are not very clear. Okay, now I am making, that's why again another video for this chapter fully, and one more they are giving as questions how it is. See, in the examination they are giving like this: write standard form or general form of quadratic equations and write its terms. That means sometimes they are asking write general form of quadratic equation and its terminology they are asking. Previously this kind of questions are given from various chapters, particularly in statistics given median, the right formula of median and write its terminology given last year, not before last year it is given. So for that only 4 marks question, only for terminology it is given. Every time terminology question will give, so that here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is quadratic equation standard form or general form. So here a is equal to coefficient of x square, b is equal to coefficient of x. See, coefficient spelling rubbed here with so above one is right spelling, here also right spelling, but just due to rubbing it is appear like that. Coefficient of x, c constant. Okay children, check the polynomial models orientation, check whether it is quadratic equation or not. We are going to discuss now in 4.1 first model, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Whether it is quadratic equation or not, we need to check. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab formula you know. So in the place of a, x square, x is there, x square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1. Here multiply with 2 into x, 2x, 2 3s are 6, sign is there minus. So x square plus 1 square means 1 only, 2x plus 2x. Here 2x minus 6. In between is equal to is there. So in between is equal to is there. You can cancel it, 2x 2x. Now the remaining terms x square 1 and plus 1, this is minus 6 now, transfer this side, minus 6 becomes plus 6 is equal to 0. Now x square plus 7 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Of course it is ax square, bx means here 0x, bx plus 0x plus constant is 7, means x term not present. It is in the form of standard form or general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. They are asking that whether it is quadratic equation or not. We need to check. In the same way, another question is there, but I am not going to explain this. Just you watch it, you can understand. Now we are going to discuss which is not a quadratic equation example. Just I am going to leave some time for second question. Just you watch it. Afterwards I shall explain third question, which is not a quadratic equation example. I shall tell you. See children, which is not a quadratic equation example I am going to tell, because we are having quadratic polynomial as well as quadratic equation. Just by mistake I am telling quadratic polynomial, but this is quadratic equations. You know, x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Whether it is quadratic equation or not, we need to check. It is multiplication value, you know, x into x, x square, plus 1 into x, 1x, or x you can write, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Here right side, x into x, x square, plus 3 into x, 3x, minus 1 into x, minus 1x, minus 1 into plus 3, minus 3. Now x square, both terms are equal, in between is equal to is there, you can cancel it. So remaining words, x minus 2x means subtract 2 plus x, minus 2x plus x means 2 minus 1, you take 1x present, but sign is negative, sign is more, that's why minus x keep, minus 2. Now 3x minus 1x, 3 minus 1 means 2, you know, 2x, but positive sign is more, that's why plus 2x we are writing, minus 3. Now transfer aside, minus x, minus 2x, minus 2, this minus 3 becomes plus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is minus x and minus 2x, both are same sign, so add minus 3x, it will be, see, different sign, 3 minus 2, so plus 1 coming, but you make it into coefficient of x as positive, so minus 3x minus becomes plus 3x here, and change it, plus 1 becomes minus 1. That means throughout minus 1 we are multiplying or dividing, you can do, no problem. 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Is it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0? No, because x square term is not present. That means absent. Bx plus c format only present. That means it is linear equation, but not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. What it is? It is secondary. Answer is linear. It is not a quadratic equation. Check whether it is quadratic equation or not. They'll ask like that. Okay children, this kind of sums one model. Another method is situation based sums. Already I kept as in 4.1 second Roman sums. This is second sum. What that question means? You know, product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Then we need to find the integers. Actually, no need to find the integers names. Just I shall make product of two consecutive positive integers is 306 is given. Let the two consecutive positive integers x comma x plus 1. Why? Because positive integers means, suppose 2 take example 2 comma next one immediate one 2 plus 1. That means 2 comma 3 are the consecutive positive integers. Like that, we should take x as one positive integer, means its immediate consecutive positive integer is x plus 1. So their product is 306 is given according to sum x into, according to sum, what we are doing, their product now according to is according to sum. Product, according to sum, x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. Now multiply x into x, x square, plus 1 into x, 1x is equal to 306. Now transfer this side, 306 becomes as minus 306. That means x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But they did not ask to solve the integers. Only representation, situation based question, very important. Next, third question I am going to explain. That is important question. It is given as 4 marks paper in the state pattern, last 2 years paper. Okay, so that's why you need to understand situation sums also. As a third sum, situation sum only, it's very important. Rohan's mother age is 26 older than him. The product of their ages in years, 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. This situation sum we need to write in the form of quadratic equation. That is important question. It is 4.1 second Roman third sum. So how I am doing, once watch. Rohan's present age is say x. Of course years no need to write that. Rohan's mother age is equal to, is means is equal to, there right, 26 years older than Rohan's age. So Rohan's age is x, more than or older than or hence is there, means you need to add plus x plus 26. So 3 years after Rohan's age, see 3 years after or from now they will give, 3 years after or from now or hence they will give. 3 years after Rohan's age is x plus 3, Rohan's mother age is x plus 26 plus 3, because for both 3 years will be adding, because increasing 3 years now, that's why x plus 29. So another given part is product of their ages after 3 years given, that is 360. Product of their ages after 3 years is 360 is given. So that is Rohan's age is x plus 3. Rohan's mother age is x plus 29. Their multiplication, that means product is 360. We are equating with 360. That means x square plus 3x, x square, x into x, x square, plus 3 into x, 3x, plus 29x, 29 into x, 29x. Later, 29 3s are 87 is equal to 360, right? Now x square plus 32x, because 29 plus 3, 32, plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. X square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is situation sum. That means you need to write in the quadratic equation form. This is one more model. Children, in this way you can solve the sums easily. Another one more sum I am going to show it, but I am not going to explain. For some time I shall hold it so you can you yourself can solve, that is fourth sum. That means from that exercise you will get everything. Yes, see, I'm holding that. So comment on it, and if you have any doubts means you can ask me in comment box. Children, I shall show it this sum, that is fourth sum in 4.1 second Roman fourth sum. See, I am holding for some time. Yes, that expansion, yes, explanation also not giving, but you can watch from this, you can solve it easily. Okay, watch it. I am just moving the next page also. Just solve it. Afterwards you can discuss. Yes, we can discuss next one, that is nature of the roots oriented sum, and solving the methods also I shall explain in another video. Children, watch it. See children, you can understand the entire 4.1 sums in this video. 4.2 and 3 models, entire models I shall cover in another video. Children, have a nice day. Thank you. Once observe up to entire I kept without missing up to last. You watch it. Thank you children. Have a nice day.